Have you ever taken an on-site or product image that would have been perfect if not for it having been slightly off angle? Whatever your business may be, you want any image you use to promote it to look crisp and professional. And fixing an image's perspective from something like this to something like this can make the difference between appearing impressive to your audience or seeming sloppy with your marketing visuals. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix image perspectives for any image you use for your visual marketing. Welcome back to the channel. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, a digital marketing agency committed to helping small businesses grow. Fixing your image's perspective before using it for your business is vital to controlling the quality of what you show to your audience. These images are, after all, a key representation of your business and what it offers. This tutorial will work best with photos that have a lot of straight lines like buildings, packaging shots, boxes, crates, the things that will be glaringly obvious if misaligned. Let's go ahead and open Photoshop and load our image. For this guide, let's start with this photo here. You can see the angle is a bit off, and if we drag a ruler here on these windows, you can see they're not even straight. It happens, and what's great about Photoshop is images like these are an easy fix. So let's start by making sure your image layer isn't locked, and if it is, just double click the layer and you're good. Now click Edit and click Perspective Warp. Afterwards, with your mouse, drag on one side of the building all the way to its edge and drag these 4 nodes to the house's perimeter, like so. Then do the same for the other side. Once every node is on each of the object's points, like this, press Enter on your keyboard, and once you do, the image attaches itself to the nodes and each point manipulates the angle of the part of the object it's assigned to. If you drag one node, the image follows. So for this image, we can fix it by correcting these vertical edges and straightening them. To do that, we just need to hover over the line. Hold Shift on your keyboard and click, which will automatically straighten this line. Let's do the same thing for the remaining 2 edges, and it's fixed. Just like that, our image looks much better.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
Let's try out this image next. Again, we're seeing vertical lines that aren't straight. So let's follow the same process we just did with our previous image. And we're done. And that's it for today's video. Now that you know how to correct off-looking perspectives in photos, be sure to scan through your business's images and see what you can edit to look more professional with this simple method. Also hit thumbs up if you want to see more Photoshop how-tos like this, and subscribe to our channel for more essential digital marketing guides. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and I'll catch you in the next one.